Hi, Mitty Wilson. Welcome to Angry Birds Bird Island Zoo. Bird Island Zoo, it's called. And we're making episodes of this. That we have some employees that would like to introduce themselves. I'm Chuck, a worker here. I'm Chuck's brother. I work here. I take care of animals.
I'm Terrence, and I like to work here.
I'm Bluebird One's brother, and I work here. More are gonna get introduced to. Yep, and let's begin. So, alright. Alright, we're over by the area of rain. Okay, so what I kind of like. Okay, so what I kind of want to is that we do want the reindeer to not breed any reindeer in Lapland. They might migrate to Lapland because that's where Lapland is where they live. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Here's our reindeer. We're getting a Christmas display for the reindeer because Santa owns reindeer up at the North Pole, and we do want to make sure that we don't get baby reindeer. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, buddy. We're going. Alright. Right, what we're gonna do is cut his testicles off. Okay. Whoa, chill out, buddy. You're okay. I got the sperm cup for science. Alright, let's get down to the business here. Let's gas him to sleep. Good idea. He's laying down. He will wake up if he needs to. Grab a little of his testicle liquid. Squeeze it into this cup. Oops. Subscribe if you like zoos. And we have a bird skull. We don't know what the bird skull is, that we're gonna have to study it. Alright. Let's just take him back to his pen. And we'll get the moose down, but we won't have to get the deer down. Okay, let's go. We woke him up, and we're taking him back to the pen. Alright, we get the deer. The vision of the animals of the technology is that about what the animal sees. Alright, come on, boys. We have like two available mooses that we are having different employees to come and come and help us. Alright, gas this guy to sleep. Amputate. grab a little of a sperm liquid. Just do. Alright, I got a new cup for that. Dab it in there, and we're ready for this. Ready for the next one. We have to collect both sperm and sperm liquid from the moose, because there are two different kinds of moose, a black moose and a normal moose. Alright. They were sleeping. We collect DNA from the two moose species and the other animals because of the air, because to learn about them. Alright. You want the elk to get his testicles amputated? Nope. Thank you. Though. Alright, Chuck, let's bring those guys back, and we'll be back soon. So, we don't take elk testicles, because we want our elk to breed. Alright, they're breeding. And we have a pregnant elk. Alright, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.